Don't you think that the process of division is an integral part of our lives? In your schools, all the students are divided into various houses. At your home, you must be taught the gesture of dividing chocolates equally among all your siblings. Most of the countries are divided into states. States are divided into cities, and cities are further divided into blocks and so on. In maths, you divide a natural number by another natural number to get the natural numbers known as quotient and remainder. What about polynomials? Can we divide a polynomial by another polynomial to get the quotient polynomial and the remainder polynomial? Let's explore in detail in this video. Suppose two numbers, 19 and 5, are given. On dividing 19 by 5, the quotient and the remainder obtained are 3 and 4 respectively. We can write 19 is equal to, in brackets, 5 into 3 plus 4. Here it is to be noted that the remainder 4 is a non-negative number less than the divisor 5. As per the method of division of polynomials, dividend polynomial is equal to divisor polynomial into quotient polynomial plus remainder polynomial. If we denote the dividend polynomial by p of x, divisor by g of x, quotient by q of x, and remainder polynomial by r of x, then p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Here, r of x is equal to 0, or degree of r of x is less than degree g of x. If r of x is equal to 0, then p of x is equal to g of x into q of x, and hence g of x and q of x are the factors of p of x. Let us divide p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 5 by x plus 1. X plus 1 multiplied by x square is equal to x cube plus x square. X plus 1 into minus 4x is equal to minus 4x square minus 4x. Now, x plus 1 into 6 is equal to 6x plus 6. Here, the remainder is minus 11. Note that in the division of two integers, the remainder is always a non-negative integer, while in the division of two polynomials, remainder can be a negative integer.
Let's summarize. In this video, we have learnt about division of a polynomial by a polynomial. We learned that dividend polynomial equals divisor polynomial into quotient polynomial plus remainder polynomial. We also learned that in the division of two integers, the remainder is always a non-negative integer, while in the division of two polynomials, remainder can be a negative integer.
Polynomials can be used to forecast profits, temperature, and sales trends over time. Polynomials are used to solve problems of physics and engineering too. Let's learn more about them in the next sessions.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.